County, Illinois, southwestern White County, and southeast Illinois until 6 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles northeast of Galatia, or 8 miles northwest of El Dorado, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the warned area include Norris City, Broughton, and Omaha. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin, Hamilton, Saline, and White. Here is your short-term